Included with your order will be 4 leg adapters, 4 fittings, 2 suction tub feet, 2 floor feet, 1 armrest, 2 seat support bars, 1 seat back, 2 screws, 1 seat bench. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to assemble your tub transfer bench. Step 1. Remove the fittings from the top of the leg adapters. Step 2. With the locking pins facing inward, fit the suction tub feet onto the legs nearest to the armrest bracket on the bottom of the seat bench. Step 3. Repeat step 2 with the floor feet on the remaining legs. Step 4. Replace the fittings back into the holes between the foot and seat bench legs on the leg adapters. Step 5. Insert the seat support into the seat support brackets. Push the locking pins in and secure them into the bracket holes. Step 6. Fit the seat back onto the seat supports until the screw holes in the seat back line up with the screw holes in the seat supports. Step 7. Insert the screws into the screw holes and tighten. Step 8. Fit the armrest into the armrest bracket. Push the locking pins down until they snap into the holes in the bracket. Step 9. Adjust the feet to your desired height. Congratulations on assembling your tub transfer bench. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.